explain our project interfacing LDR with ESP32 in greenhouse automation.
Let me introduce our teammates Shashi, Vishnu, Rashta, Jahnavi, Ramya.
Now I am explaining about objectives. The first one is interface LDR with ESP32. To connect LDR with resistors to ESP32 to sense greenhouse light intensity. The second one is to measure light intensity using LDR to monitor brightness inside the greenhouse. The third one is to control lighting atomicity. To control the state of LED by using ESP32 based on light intensity levels. The third one is to understand behavior of LDR with ESP32. Understanding how LDR is resistance changes with varying greenhouse light. Third one is to implement sample greenhouse lighting automation. Develop an intelligent IoT but automation system using ESP32 that controls LED according to light intensity values detected by LDR sensor.
These are the components which we use on our project. The main components is ESP32, which is a microcontroller, which is help to read the LDR values, and another one is LDR, which is help to sense the ambient light, and software component is Arduino IDE, which is help to edit the code and dump code into ESP32. Another component is USB cable and breadboard jumper wires.
Now let me tell about flow of a project. Now start mission. Start where the ESP32 starts the work and then read the LDR value. LDR value will be read by LDR sensor. Then compare with threshold value. The present value and the current value will be compared with threshold value. Then it takes the decision to turn on LED on or off. When LDR value is compared with threshold value, if LDR value is less than threshold value, then LED turns on. If LDR value is greater than the threshold value, then LED will turn off. That process will continuously repeat in a loop.
Now let's go through the core snippet of this project. Here the LDR pin is connected to GPIO 34 of ESP32 and LED pin is connected to GPIO 2. The threshold value is set to be 800. It can be adjustable. This function is a serial monitor setup function. Here we are initializing the serial monitor and the output is set to be LED pin. Here we are reading the LDR values. This is the decision making function. Here the light value is compared with the threshold value and the decision is made by it. So if the light value is lesser than threshold value, it displays high and the LED status is set to be on. And else if the light value is greater than the threshold value, it displays low and the LED status is set to be off. Let's go through the output. Here we took the threshold value as 800. As you see, the light level is 1023, which is higher than the threshold value. So the LED status is said to be off. And in the other case, the light level is 400, which is lesser than the threshold value. So the LED status is said to be on. You can observe the different readings.
Finally, to conclude, the greenhouse automation using ESP32 project shows how the light control can be done automatically using simple IoT-based technology. This LDR sensor helps the system detect light levels, the LED responses by turning on or off. This reduces manual energy and saves energy. This project will be cost effective, easy to build, using 4 small greenhouses, creating a base for upgrading future smart. Thank you.